Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome everyone to our first segment of IQRA with IQRA. And Alhamdulillah, yesterday, today, both days, morning session, evening session, going very, very well indeed. And this session is for you. Only this week, I have said to the adults, those that do not get through in the morning show, they can continue their calls after 5 o'clock, but that's going to change from next week. There will be no calls for the adults. You know, morning callers, they will have to stay in the morning slot, and you people are in your slot anyway because you are not at home during that time. So it's all good. I want lots and lots of you people calling in. I want loads of you calling, telling your friends and family, and take this time to better your Quran. Take this time to make sure that you are understanding these shows and understanding the rules of tajweed and all the subjects that we will be teaching. I will be teaching in next week. So if you do not have the Islamic study books, I suggest you order those books immediately. 03000 999 786 is the number. Do order those books and study those books. These are Islamic study books, very, very beneficial indeed. 03000 999 786 to order. They are advertised on the side of the screen, bottom of the screen during Iqra with Iqra only. So make sure you take advantage of getting those books. And now next week, what we will do is, like I explained yesterday, and I'm going to emphasize and reiterate how the days are going to be set out. So Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, what we want to do and what we are willing and wanting to achieve. So Iqra with Iqra will go back to the way it was in the early days of the very show. So more subjects will be taught. Islamic studies will be focused upon, of course, reading, learning how to read the text of the Quran is always there. Tajweed rules will always be there. We cannot delete them or minus them out of the equation whatsoever. So those will be there, inshallah. And your calls are very important, vital. And your calls make Iqra with Iqra what it is. And also let's get new people on board, fresh people on board, old people, the regulars. Continue your calls, Allah bless you. But also it is your job and your responsibility to go and grab people that do not call, but people that may need to better their Quran. Okay, so I leave that in your side. The ball's in your side, in your court now, and let's get that. Let's get people calling in. Let's move to the callers. Let's see who we have. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Who's calling?
Isha.
Isa.
Isha.
Who?
Isha.
Oh, Yusha. How are you, Yusha?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. What are you going to read from?
On page 23, the third line.
23, third line. Khalaqa, yeah? It's lesson 6.
Yeah.
Okay, lesson 6. And you're going to read a bit of Quran as well?
Yeah.
Which surah?
Surah Ma'un.
Of Baha?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do lesson 6, third line. When you're ready.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Khalaqa idha waqaba.
Give me the rules in both.
Half is a full mouth letter, and they're all going to be short sound.
It's going to be
quality of ST Zal is going to stretch because the alif madda. Zal is
Okay, so kha, qaf. See how you want to say Yusha is like you look at khalaqa, you look at idha waqaba, yeah?
Yeah.
And you say, okay, there's kha, there's the two qafs. These will be full mouth because of the quality of isti'ala, number 1, okay?
Okay.
Then you say, idha waqaba, say the area you'll be expecting. Idha waqaba, zal is going to be long. Because it's followed by alif madda. How do I know it's alif madda? Because when alif has a fatha before it, that's what tells me. Okay?
Yeah.
That's how I want you to explain. Okay, next.
وَإِذَا قُرِئَ.
Okay, what's going on here?
That is going to stretch because there's alif madda, and before the alif madda there's a fatha.
Okay, that's the recognition. It's alif madda. Okay.
Ra is empty mouth because there's a kasra. وَكَوَاعِبَ.
قرئ قاف full mouth because of isti'ala.
Yeah.
Okay, carry on.
وَكَوَاعِبَ. في
No,
جيدها.
wakawa'iba. The rules in wakawa'iba.
And the word's going to stretch because there's alif madda.
Okay, next one. Now go to the next word.
في جيدها.
The rules in here.
The fa and the jim are going to stretch because there's a ya
Fa and jim because of the ya.
sakin, and before there's a kasra.
Ya madda, yeah?
Yeah.
So say because of ya madda. Anything else?
Ha is going to stretch because there's a alif madda.
Good, next. Okay, let's stop there. We're going to do from yaqulu tomorrow, yeah?
Okay.
Read your surah.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أرأيت الذي يكذب بالدين فذلك الذي يدع اليتيم ولا يهد على طعام المسكين فويل للمصلين الذين هم عن صلاتهم ساهون الذين هم يراءون ويمنعون الماعون.
Excellent, excellent. Is Maisha going to read?
Yeah.
Give it to her.
Well, Assalamu alaikum.
Assalam, Maisha. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, how are you?
Good, thank you. Your sabak is from?
Poetry 7, lesson 10. I'm on the last line of Min Shay'in.
Lesson, which one?
10.
Lesson 10, okay.
I'm on the fourth line.
Okay. What's lesson 10 about?
Ikhfa.
What's the meaning of ikhfa?
After Nun Sakin or Tanween, and of the 15 letters of Ikhfa appears, the sound of Nun Sakin or Tanween will be hidden in your nose when you read the 15 letters of Ikhfa.
Okay, so when the 15 letters of ikhfa are in front of Noon Sakin or Tanween, the Noon Sakin or the Tanween, the sound is hidden, isn't it?
Yeah.
The sound is hidden, and how do you hide it? By making a light, the sound goes in the nose, yeah?
Yeah.
Like that. Can I read what's on the screen?
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Naran Zata.
Oh, okay, so you're on the fourth line.
Yeah.
Acha, fourth line. There we go. Say it again. Na.
Naran Zata.
Okay, explain the rules.
So na is going to stretch because it has the alif.
It's not na, it's noon.
Noon is going to stretch because it has the alif madda. And the ra has a tanween the ra has a tanween, and even after tanween, letter ta came, zal came.
Uh-huh. So what's going to happen? Where is the ikhfa?
So that's the ikhfa letter.
Zal is an ikhfa letter.
Yeah.
So the tanween on the ra will be hidden. The ikhfa is on the tanween. Nara ikhfa ghunna is on the tanween, which is on top of the ra.
Yeah.
Nara ra. Okay?
Yeah.
You hide it by making a light nasal sound. Any other rule?
The zal has a alif madda.
After zal, there's alif madda. Okay? And noon after is alif madda as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
How do you know it's alif madda?
So because the fatha.
Fatha before it. Carry on. Next word.
فلن تجد.
Okay. Explain where the ikhfa is first.
After Noon Sakin, letter Lam came.
After Noon Sakin?
Letter Ta came.
Right, so what will you do?
You have to read from your nose.
فَلَن تَجِدَ is you're not explaining. So the Noon Sakin has ikhfa ghunna, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you have to say that, nah?
Yeah.
Okay, that's where it is, and that's what that's what you have to explain. Okay, good. Next.
يوم ينفجر.
Fakhu.
فخو.
And the next one?
من طغى.
Okay, explain in the first one where the ikhfa is first, and then we will go to the rest of the rules.
Okay. After Noon Sakin, letter Fa came. It is a Ikhfa letter. You need to read a slight nasal sound.
On the Noon, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, anything else?
The horse of Fulma Feta is going to be quality of a CLF.
Anything else?
The ya has a violin is going to stretch.
Huh? What's going to stretch?
The wow.
No, it's Yawma is Wawlin. Okay, that's good. Look, we'll continue from there tomorrow. You had a good go at it. And but I have to go for a break, but do call tomorrow and we will listen to from where you left off today. Okay? Jazakallah. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.